Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox this beauty, the Douchebag Carryall 65L bag. It's like a duffel bag and you can also put backpack straps on it, and has lots of nice features, and I think we're just gonna get into it. I opened one side so I should be able to slide it out fairly easy. Here we go, like a pro. Did you see that? Alright, well, what do we have here? It's all closed and very collapsed. Doesn't look too good, to be fair. There are a couple of different zippers here, two in the front. And let's try to open the top one first. Here we have the duffel bag handles already. Alright, let's see. Alright, here we have one side, and let's do the other side as well. It's a little bit difficult to shoot with one hand, to be fair. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, that should be done. This is the, I believe, the big compartment where you can put all your stuff in. It's actually pretty deep. I'm trying to, like, pretty high. This should stand really well when packed. I think you can pack this thing up to the brim, and it's just a bit not so. It's a bit sturdy right now because of all the how it's been transported. And then we have here, I think this is the, now I know what it is. This is the shoe compartment, and we're getting it, trying to get it open. It's even a bit more difficult than the last one, but we should be almost done the other way as well. I think I have to pack this thing full with stuff so I can see what it can actually hold. It should be 65 liters, so you should be able to get all your clothes and stuff in here if you're packing like kind of mindful. Yeah, so down here is the shoe compartment. You can see my super pants, and it's a bit dark in here, but yeah, this is a shoe compartment that goes in here into the inside of the bag. What else do we have? We do have these handles here on the side, and also these handles over here. Now I don't know, probably in here on this side should be the handles for the backpack, like the backpack configuration. Well, it's not in here, not in here. So it must be somewhere else, huh? It feels like it should be in here, but I'm not yet smart enough to open it. Here we have another zipper on the top of the bag, on the opposite side of the shoe thing. It's not yet open, huh? This is a quick access pocket. I'm gonna put the camera down really quickly. Nice. The other side is open. You have a little hanger here on this side, on the top, and another zipper with a mesh pocket. Alright, and this is the quick access bag. What else do we have here? This, now it's slowly getting bigger. You can see, like, from the side, it's pretty big. I just didn't manage to. Oh, now I found it. Look up here. Is this a zipper or how this is open? I don't even know. I don't think there is a zipper. There was just like this generally, and then you can take out this and And here we go, this one as well. Now what is this for? What are those for? Not entirely sure, but I have to put those straps somewhere. And here is like another pocket to put in stuff that is a little bit more hidden. This is what the backside looks like. But yeah, well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider leaving a like. I hope you have a nice day, and bye bye.